Welcome to Healthcare, your trusted place for health, strength, and longevity today. We're diving into a silent but deadly condition called sarcopenia, the gradual loss of muscle mass after age 50, and the surprising hero, a humble little bean with more protein than eggs. Yes, soybeans. Let's uncover how this miracle food, combined with simple lifestyle tips, can literally transform your body after 50. Definition: age-related muscle degeneration, symptoms: weakness. Balance issues: slow walking. Fatigue, when it starts as early as 40s. Why? It's dangerous, linked to falls. Frailty, early death. Most people don't even know they have it. Soybeans contain all 9 essential amino acids, complete protein content. 100 grams of boiled soybeans approximately equals 17 grams protein, more than 2 eggs. Rich in leucine, crucial for muscle building, also packed with fiber, potassium, magnesium, and iron, anti-inflammatory and heart protectivist forms. Soy. Milk diffutamidesum protein isolate for smoothies. Cooking ideas. High-protein soy stir-fry soy milk with oats and berries. Grilled tofu with veggies. Meal plan sample for one-day lentils. Quinoa, chickpeas. Black beans. Complementary proteins. Combining grains plus legumes variety equals better amino acid coverage. Add herbs like turmeric and ginger for extra anti-aging benefits. Resistance training, essential to reverse muscle loss. Walking plus lightweight lifting plus band. Soy boosts results when eaten post-workout. Example: 20-minute home workout plus soy protein smoothie creation. A jam 3B12, specially for plant-based diets. Always consult your doctor. Story of a 65-year-old woman who reversed frailty. 70-year-old man who built muscle on soy and walking. Testimonials: I feel 20 years younger. Daily meals: soy plus other proteins. Short workouts: morning stretches, hydration plus sleep plus sunlight. Printable checklist. Mention link or description if you're over 50 and tired of feeling weak, slow, or stiff. It's time to fight back. Start with 1 bowl of soybeans a day. Pair it with smart movement and recovery, and you'll feel the difference in just weeks. Let's talk about how you can easily include soy in your daily meals, even if you're not a chef. First, you don't need to eat plain boiled soybeans. There are many delicious forms of soy that are easy to prepare and digest. Here are 5 best options. Soy milk, great for breakfast. Pour it over oats or drink as is. 1 cup has around 7 to 9 grams of protein. To tofu, soft or firm. You can stir-fry it, grill it, or add it to soups and curries. It absorbs flavors like magic. Tempeh, a fermented soy product. It has a nutty flavor and very high protein content. Edamame, young green soybeans. Boil them with a pinch of salt, an excellent snack. Soy protein powder, perfect for smoothies. Mix with water or plant milk after workouts. If you're new to soy, start slow. Try 1 serving a day and gradually increase. Let's go over a simple full-day meal plan to hit your protein goals. Breakfast: soy milk, plus oatmeal, plus chia seeds, plus berries. Total protein: 15 grams. Lunch: tofu stir-fry with brown rice and veggies, side of green salad. Total protein: 25 grams. Snack: handful of roasted edamame or soy nuts. Green tea protein: 10 grams. Dinner: grilled tempeh with quinoa and steamed broccoli. Protein: 30 grams. That's more than 75 grams of clean, complete protein, all from plants. Now, while soy is a powerhouse, don't forget the supporting cast, other plants that also fight muscle loss. Lentils, minus 18 grams protein per cooked cup. Chickpeas, rich in fiber and protein. Quinoa, a grain with all 9 amino acids. Black beans, great for heart and muscle. Hemp seeds, minus 10 grams of protein per 3 TBSP. Mixing different plant proteins gives your muscles a wide spectrum of amino acids. Think of it like building muscle with Lego blocks. You need all the pieces. Now here's a golden rule. Protein alone won't rebuild your muscle. You must move. But that doesn't mean lifting heavy weights at the gym. Just simple daily resistance can reverse sarcopenia. Here's a 20-minute daily routine. You can do at home: warm up 3 minutes, march in place, arms swings, neck rolls, work out 15 minutes. Chair squats 10 reps x 3 sets, wall push-ups 10 reps x 3 sets. Standing leg lifts, resistance band rows light. Dumbbell curls, cool down 2 minutes, deep breathing, stretch hamstrings and shoulders. Drink a soy protein smoothie within 30 minutes of finishing your workout. That's when your muscles absorb protein best. Now let's add a little boost. Here are 4 supplements that work with soy to strengthen muscles and bones. Vitamin D helps calcium absorption, supports strength. The creatine improves energy and endurance. B12, essential for vegans, and omega-3 from algae or fish, reduces inflammation in joints. Remember, supplements are just that. Supplemental. Food comes first. Let me share a few inspiring cases. Martha, 67 years old, had trouble climbing stairs. Her doctor warned of muscle wasting. She switched to a Soybeans diet, walked daily, and did basic strength moves. In 3 months, her posture, mood, and strength dramatically improved. James, 72, suffered from frailty after a hospital stay. He started drinking soy milk twice a day and doing chair exercises. 6 months later, he's back to gardening and feels 20 years younger. These are real, everyday people, just like you, who chose to fight back. Let's make this practical and easy. Here's what your 7-day plan might look like. Grocery list: soy milk, tofu, lentils, oats, leafy greens, bananas, berries, almonds. Daily routine: morning stretch plus soy-based breakfast, afternoon. Light walk plus protein snack, evening. Strength training, 15 minutes plus plant protein dinner, Track your progress: energy level, muscle tone, mood, and sleep, You'll feel stronger and younger, day by day. You're over 50 and you feel tired, weak, or your muscles aren't what they used to be. Don't accept it as just aging. Fight back with food. Move your body. Fuel your cells. Start with 1 glass of soy milk today. Add a few resistance moves and stick to it for 7 days. You'll be amazed how much your body still wants to heal, grow, and thrive. Like this video if it helped you. Comment your age and fitness goal below. Share this with someone who needs it. Subscribe for more powerful wellness tips every week.